Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Price elasticity of supply measures how quantity reacts to price changes. With a value of 0.5, let's solve this economics puzzle together now. Start with the formula where elasticity equals the percentage change in quantity supplied divided by the percentage change in price. This ratio tells us exactly how sensitive our producers are today. Since our elasticity is 0.5, any price change results in a quantity change half that size. If price drops 20%, we multiply 20 by 0.5 instead. That calculation gives a 10% change. Since supply moves with price, a price decrease means quantity also decreases. This confirms option D is correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check your steps.